This has to be in my top 2 most annoying styles that I've ever done on myself, and it's not number 2. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rebekah Elaine, and we are back with another video. What do we think? What do we think? I'm gonna give my thoughts now. Firstly, like this little baby sticking up right here, I'm gonna have to do something about. Things that I would do differently. Number 1, not do it. This style took forever. I'm sorry. I'm probably never gonna do this again. Number 2, color match. I haven't bought like fake hair in a long time, and I didn't think about the fact that I needed to get hair the same color as my hair. I don't know what I was thinking. I just grabbed a pack of hair, and my hair is brown, as you can see, and the boho pieces are black, or like a natural color is what it said, which is darker than mine. I think that's it. Everything else is cool, and I probably would try and do it like long, but I did a bob because I'm gonna have to wear this to work, and hopefully no one complains or says anything. This little one has been kind of cute, but I don't know. Let me show y'all the back. I don't know, like, it's cute, but I'm so annoyed that I can't even like it. This process was just annoying. I don't know what else to say. Let me show y'all the back. This side looks cute from what I can see. I know the back, the knots are, there's a lot more knots in the back versus up front. It's a lot more twist, but my hair is just long as hell. So this is what we got. So I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think. I hope that it's gonna grow on me. I don't know. But we're gonna get into how I did it. It's not a tutorial because this was trial and error process of elimination in terms of what worked and what didn't work. But I think that is cute. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and like close out the vlog now, or the video, even though you're about to see me do it. Oh, also the lighting is gonna be different because I was doing it in the living room versus here. But anyway, I really hope you enjoy. It's not a lot that I'm gonna say, or I'll probably say it over the voiceover in the video. But if you do enjoy, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Alright y'all, so let's get into this style. First thing I always do after or before I style my hair is wash it, and then I will seal in the moisture with some oil. I was using my Elaine Essentials natural hair oil. I use a product called Bomb Glue. Sorry, I had it sped up so fast that y'all couldn't see it, but I'll put it in my description box below. The Bomb Glue I just use for my edges, and I felt like I might as well just get my edges kind of brushed out first and get those out of the way, and we're just going to get started. So the first clip I'm going to leave fairly oh, you know what, it's not normal time. I think I have this times 2, because really what I'm doing in this first clip is just my normal retwist. The thing for me when I'm retwisting and doing a 2-strand twist, oh, and I'm going to be using some hair lotion, and y'all, sometimes I use a lot of this. It's just, it depends. But I know at some of the clips, or in some of the clips, you'll see that it's kind of white on my hair. It always goes away. It doesn't leave a cast or anything. It doesn't leave any residue in my locks. But what I was going to say is, when I'm retwisting my hair and then I'm doing a 2-strand twist, I have to really pay attention to the direction in which I'm twisting the retwist, because I have to make sure it aligns with the 2-strand twist, if that makes sense. Also, if there's noise in the background, y'all, I'm in New York right now. The window is open. It's kind of loud outside, so hopefully it's not going to be too loud. But I'm using this Outre hair. I don't know the name of it, so hopefully the pack looks familiar. I don't even think I know if it's probably synthetic hair, but it's 18 inches. The color is natural, and like I said in the intro of this video, I wish that I would have got something that was a little more brown, but that was my fault. I wasn't really thinking. Anyway, the hair is cute. It's super soft. It was a little bit hard to work with, to be honest, but that's just because I haven't worked with like weave hair in a while. And then I was kind of just showing y'all my setup. So I was just sitting in front of this mirror with a little end table, and getting it done. So this is the clip that I kept in normal speed, and the reason is because I wanted y'all to really notice how long it took me to do this style. I don't know if you saw in the beginning of the video, I had a timestamp. I started this at 10:58 in the morning. Y'all just guess what time I finished. Now I will say that let me talk about what I'm doing first and then I'll get into the time. So I added a little piece of hair. Now this is trial and error, so I will not say that this video is a tutorial, because honestly, y'all, I was learning as I went. But as you can see, I kind of had it bent and about maybe a quarter of the way down, and I kind of folded it in half and twisted both sides down with my lock, and then I pulled out the long side, if that makes sense. I mean, hopefully the video shows you better than I can tell you. And I did that for quite a few of them, and then I changed my method from time to time. I think though that this is the best method. I wish that I would have just did this the whole time around, but for some reason it was easier in different parts of my hair and harder in others, and so when it felt harder, I just did something else. But then I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and add one more piece. So I believe I'm going to do it again. Let me see. Sorry, y'all, I'm watching this in real time with you. Oh yeah, so I feel, oh okay. And you see, like when you get to the bottom of the strand, oh maybe I didn't add another one, probably because this one is like the very bottom of the bob, so you're not really going to see too much. So right here I'm just measuring where I wanted my bob to stop, and then I just have to do a barrel on the bottom. Now the barrel for me, I learned it's more secure when I wrap toward the front. And you can see my hands coming wrap forward. If I wrap backwards, then it comes loose. I learned that. And so this is something that's like a trial and error process that has now worked very well for me as long as I wrap forward. So I'm going to do that for the rest of this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up, wrap that, secure it with a rubber band, and then I'm also going to go ahead and start the other one, and I'm going to slow it down again when it's time for me to add the boho pieces. So again, here we are with the boho piece. I used a little bit more this time around, and again, I folded it in like 1/4 from the top. And you see even my fingers are like just twisted and contorted in so many different ways, because this was just hard, like the silkiness of that hair versus the coarseness of my lock, and then like just trying not to let it slip out, then having to pull the piece up. Y'all, this look at my fingers. This was such a process, and then I'm like, oh, I got another piece right here. How did that happen? So I'm having to move that out of the way, and then I'm continuing my twist. So this is essentially how things went. Now, the frustration that I had, in addition to the time, I know I was telling you about the time. In addition to the time, the frustration that I had is that some of the boho pieces was like slipping out, or I wasn't like making it tight enough. So that was an issue. And then as far as the time, I didn't finish this style until about 6:30 at night. Now, the thing about that is I was cooking at some point in the midst of this. I took a couple really quick breaks outside of cooking just because I was getting tired of doing it. My hair is just too long at this point, and I'm just wrapping it in this like bob, and then plus adding the hair. And you can see like some of the boho hair was getting caught by my own lock. It was just so many little nuances to this hairstyle that makes me say that I'm probably never going to do it again. Realistically, I highly doubt that I'm ever going to do this again. At this point, I was starting to like it, though. I have to be honest. When I was looking at it, I was like, okay, this is starting to look kind of cute. But I mean, I don't know. There was a lot of annoyance happening. So you guys will notice my face from time to time when I'm annoyed. I think I also kept in some of the clips where I was like with some of the hair, like the boho hair was pulling out. I'm not going to do too much more talking. I'm just going to let the rest of the video play with some music. At the very end, you'll see the full results once again. And like I said in the beginning, I do hope you guys enjoyed it. I try my best to get as much vlog content as I can out. I just don't do my hair as often as I would like, or I don't record it when I do it, because I just feel like I'm always doing the same things. But this was something new and different, and I decided that I wanted to go ahead and show you. Like I said, it's trial and error, so if you do have any suggestions or critiques, they're welcome. But trust me, this is not a tutorial. I know that I didn't do things perfectly. I just wanted to do a quick style for my vacation that's coming up next week, which I can't wait for. So if you enjoyed, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And guys, if you're here for the locks, that's awesome, but please stay for the vlogs. I'm posting vlogs a lot more often than I'm posting lock videos, and I think that you'll like them. I mean, I love them. Of course, I'm biased, but check out my vlogs. Check out my birthday vlog. That was the last one that I posted. But yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video.
Is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you is is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love you can't stand, and I try to be strong. But how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Oh yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah, yeah.
Me, can't focus on me.